Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through an easy step on how to log into your Bitcoin.com wallet using mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Bitcoin.com wallet, first make sure that you've got the wallet downloaded on your mobile device. Once you have it, tap on it to launch open Bitcoin.com wallet. The first interface of Bitcoin.com will look like this. To log into your account, find the settings button which is located at the bottom right and tap on it. You'll be able to see create a Bitcoin.com account or sign in option at the top of the screen. Tap on it to end up in the sign in page. You can either create an account to start your Bitcoin journey. So simply go ahead and enter your email in the text box that you would like to associate with Bitcoin.com, or if you already have an account, you can enter your email associated with that particular account. Apart from that, you can also sign in with your Apple account and your Google account if you've selected the same option while signing up for Bitcoin.com. Here, let me go ahead and enter my email address associated with Bitcoin.com. Type in your email and tap the arrow pointing towards the right corner. You'll now need to check your email inbox in order to verify your email. Tap on Open Mail app or simply open up your email inbox that you associated with Bitcoin.com and you'll receive a login request link. Tap on it to open it up and tap on Login in order to log into your account. And that is how you can easily log into your Bitcoin.com wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.